So in this Canva tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add the echo effect to text here in Canva. So first thing you have to do is obviously type in some text. So I'm just going to type in the word echo. Seems pretty fitting for this video, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. But this obviously works with whatever you type, doesn't really matter. Once that is done and you have it where you want it to be, I want you to press on the text right here. Go to the effects tab in the top area right here. I want you to press on effects. I then want you to go to the option right here where it says styles. I want you to go all the way down to where it says echo right here, and I want you to press on echo. Once that is done, you are greeted with 3 different options here. You have offset, direction, and color. If you want to change the offset of it, so basically which how much of the shadow is showing. If you slide it to the right, it'll show more on the right side. If you slide it to the left, it'll show less to the left, to the point where there's no actual echo in effect. Now, if you want to change the direction of it, sliding it to the left means that it'll go up more to the right, and sliding the direction to the right means it'll slide more to the left. Now, if you want to change the color of the effect, not a big deal as well, super simple. Just go to the color option right here. As of right now, it's black. If I wanted to change it, for example, to pink, there you go. That is how you can add the effect, the echo effect to text here on Canva, and I hope this video helped.